Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted and Unfiltered. We have another package. Well, there's going to be an influx of packages lately since everyone is coming back from a factory holiday and everybody's starting to send their microbrand watches to us. And this one is no different. This has been a steady and constant fixture of our channel. Oh, let me spare you that. And this one came in a slightly different box this time. Normally, we see a different box from Viqueria. Oh, what's this? They have an envelope now. Nicolo's always surprising me with stuff. Grazie. Okay. Okay. We've seen this before. So, what are these pamphlets? Okay. There's some brand messaging there. It's worth keeping after, after a while you might get a lot of them and then you start and look at that. That is our Prometeo. Now the Prometeo we've already reviewed, and this one Nicolo sent to us, and I opted for the meteorite dial because I haven't seen the meteorite dial. And this one, let's see, because this one is a tinted meteorite dial. It's going to be blue, and let's unwrap this. Maybe I'll fast forward so that I can spare you all the time. And now we're back to talking. And again, we have reviewed the Prometeo already in the channel. And this one particular, I'm probably not going to review, but I'm going to give you the rundown of what this is, or at least the specs of this watch. It has an NH35 movement at the back, as you can see here. And I don't remember seeing that kind of rotor, so maybe they upgraded that. Sapphire crystals all over. We have a 39.5 millimeter case diameter here. We have 11.5 in thickness and 45 from lug to lug, which is rather short. And again, this is a fix, or not fix. It's an integrated bracelet watch, as you can see there. Right, so no quick release spring bars there. But you do have a very nice bracelet, and this bracelet has been reviewed before. It has some really straight facets, as you can see. The light play on those really sharp links. And let's have it on the wrist. Let's remove our quadras there. Quadras on FKM rubber strap. Of course, this is not sized for my wrist, but as you can see on the wrist, it has a pretty good wearability. For smaller wrists like my 6¼ inch, this fits really well. That short lug to lug really helps the wearability and the profile. And that 39 point I could literally slide it off my wrist, so that you could see that there's enough links for you to play around with, so that would likely play into your sizing and fitting. Once you do it once, you're probably not going to do it again. But it doesn't have that that micro adjust mechanism. These are holes that you need to play around with, so you better allow for some gaps for your own wrist, and allow your wrist to breathe as the day goes on. Also, this is a 100-meter water resistant watch, and as you can see, it has it has a screw down crown also, and you have the date window right there. Now let's focus on the dial here. Now this is why I asked for the blue meteorite, guys. Blue meteorite dial, and that is fantastic. Actually, you could see some differences of use there. It's likely the light playing around the surface, because I don't anticipate that they're going to create, or they're going to apply different tones of blue here. But this is the benefit of having meteorite and those really fine striations and lines and grooves. It really makes light play colorful in a way, because it radiates, or it reflects light differently, thus showing off those different shades of blue. Look at that. And also, I don't know, let's see, let's focus on that too. And the Viqueria emblem there, look, is also treated with blue. Very nice touch for Viqueria. And let's see if I do a little loom here, and look at that. Now that is another thing that we need to talk about. I don't think I talked about that in my original review. The loom all around the dial is fantastic. It has that really fine, thin ring of light. Let me see if I could like show it a little bit there. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Let's charge that up a little bit. Wow, look at that. Very nice loom, guys. I love that. And I think you'll also enjoy that. And again, bring light back. Again, this is the Viqueria Prometeo. They have 300-piece run of this model. I think this is one of Viqueria's more successful and more famous models in their collections. And this one in particular only comes in 50 different meteorite pieces. So those are unique. Each and every one of those are unique, and only 50 of them will be made. And after that, you're gonna have to look elsewhere to find a pre-owned Viqueria Prometeo. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Prometeo. Even though we're not gonna review this, we've already reviewed the Prometeo, but I certainly love a different variation of their dial, and this is one of them, and this is a special one. And as you can see here, that blue meteorite really pops. And I think, again, Viqueria is one of our friends, but I'm not biased for them. I do think that they are underselling themselves. This goes for only $450, around 379 euros. And I think this could pitch more. It has some really good quality. It has the specs to back it up. Of course, it doesn't have some of the features that we're all so spoiled at, like the micro adjust mechanisms. But you know, this is a very small company, and every single piece of their collection has been handled by the founders themselves, Nicola and Omar. And I think there's no shortage of attention for this brand, and you could see the love coming in with every single design that they have. They are a real grassroots Italian brand, and we're happy to see them grow in the years that have passed. And this is a testament to what they're able to do, and they continue to do so. They really just want enthusiasts to enjoy watches in limited quantities with high quality inspection and craftsmanship. And hopefully they can continue to grow, and we're there to see them with that. And again, that's the Viqueria Prometeo meteorite dial. Only 50 of these will be made, so grab one of them, grab any of them as much as you can, and comment down below. Let me know if there's any criticisms about it, and we're happy to talk about it and discuss. Very nice.